Imagine this. It's Sunday morning. You just finished washing your car. The paint is shining, the tires look brand new, and everything feels perfect. Then you open the hood and think, why not clean the engine bay too? You grab a pressure washer, spray everything down, and it looks amazing. But the next morning, your car won't start. The dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree, the engine misfires, and the mechanic hands you a repair bill that ruins your week. So what really happened? Is washing your engine bay actually dangerous, or is it just an exaggerated myth? Today we're uncovering the full truth. Modern engine bays are not just metal blocks with a few wires. They are highly complex electronic systems. Inside that space, you'll find dozens of sensors, wiring harnesses, fuse boxes, ignition coils, the alternator, and most importantly, the engine control unit, the ECU. The ECU is essentially the brain of the vehicle. It controls fuel injection, ignition timing, air-fuel ratios, and overall performance. In today's vehicles from manufacturers like Toyota, Honda, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz, the amount of electronics under the hood is massive. These systems are designed to be water-resistant, but not waterproof, and that difference is critical. Many people argue, if my car can handle rain, why can't it handle a wash? The answer lies in pressure and direction. Rain falls gently and naturally drains away. A pressure washer, on the other hand, forces water into connectors, seals, and electrical components at high speed. That pressure can push water past protective seals and into areas it was never meant to reach. One of the most vulnerable components is the alternator. The alternator generates electricity and charges the battery while the engine runs. If water enters it, it can cause a short circuit or internal corrosion. The result? A dead battery, charging failure, or complete alternator replacement, which can be expensive. Ignition coils and spark plug wells are also highly sensitive. If water gets trapped inside, the engine may start misfiring. You might feel shaking, loss of power, rough idling, or poor fuel efficiency. In some cases, the engine might not start at all. Then there's corrosion, the silent threat. Water that sits inside wiring connectors doesn't always cause immediate failure. Instead, it slowly creates rust and oxidation. Weeks later, mysterious electrical problems begin to appear. Warning lights turn on, sensors fail randomly. Diagnosing the issue becomes difficult and costly because the root cause is hidden moisture damage. However, this does not mean engine bay cleaning should never be done. Professional detailing shops clean engine bays safely all the time. The key difference is technique. Professionals avoid high-pressure water. Sensitive components are covered with plastic. A degreaser is applied carefully. Dirt is removed using soft brushes. Instead of blasting water, they use light misting or damp microfiber cloths. Finally, compressed air is used to dry every corner thoroughly. The real danger comes when people spray a hot engine with cold water. Rapid temperature change can stress metal components. In extreme cases, it may even cause cracking. That's why if cleaning is necessary, the engine must be completely cool before starting. Older vehicles were less risky because they had fewer electronic systems. Modern cars rely heavily on sensors, mass airflow sensors, throttle position sensors, crankshaft sensors, oxygen sensors. If even one of these becomes affected by moisture, the car may enter limp mode, reducing power to protect the engine. The check engine light appears, and performance drops instantly. Some car owners wash the engine bay to increase resale value. A clean engine can impress buyers, but ironically, improper cleaning can create hidden electrical problems that surface after the sale, damaging both the vehicle and trust. So is engine bay washing dangerous? The honest answer is, it can be. Not because water itself is evil, but because modern engines are sensitive ecosystems of electronics and precision engineering. High-pressure water, poor technique, and lack of drying are what create the risk. If you truly need to clean your engine bay, avoid pressure washers. Never spray directly at the alternator, fuse box, air intake, or exposed wiring. Use controlled methods. Or better yet, Let professionals handle it. At the end of the day, a clean engine looks satisfying, but a running engine is far more important than a shiny one. So next time you open your hood and think about blasting it with water, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, is the visual satisfaction worth the mechanical risk? Sometimes, what looks clean on the outside can cause damage underneath. If you found this documentary helpful, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more deep dives into automotive myths and hidden truths. Because in the world of cars, what you don't know can cost you.